Hello, my name is Frauke Galia from the Smell Gym. Today I'm going to show you a fun and engaging smelling exercise you can do not only to build your smell muscle, but also your brain muscle. Remember that smell health is tied to brain health. So every time you do a smelling exercise, you're also helping your brain. So in this video, I'm going to show you an activity that you can do every morning to start your day. You can do it for as little as 10 to 15 minutes or longer if you like. The activity is called scent journaling. Now, journaling on its own is already a very popular activity. It has a lot of benefits like boosting memory, critical thinking, and verbal fluency. But today we're going to take journaling to a new level. We're going to add the element of smelling so that not only can you get all of those wonderful benefits from journaling, but you'll also be working on improving olfactory memory as well. So let's talk about what you'll need. You don't need a lot, actually. You want a piece of paper, ideally even a notebook. I have one here because if you're going to do this regularly, which I always encourage you to do, because it's about creating habits and doing things consistently, that's what's really going to show the improvement. And along with this notebook, you'll want to have a pen. And then for the scent, you have lots of different options. So I always like using an essential oil because here at the Smell Gym, we regularly use essential oils as part of our Smell Gym classes. But you can also use anything else that's scented, really. You can use a perfume, take the shampoo out of your shower, get a scented soap. You can even take dried herbs and spices from your pantry. Really anything that's scented that you can smell up close and then put down. So because we're going to be using an essential oil, what I'm going to do is use a medium where I can put a few drops onto that surface and then smell that. So I have a couple of options here. You can use a scent strip. This is what we commonly use in the perfume industry. So these are readily available online, really easy to find. But of course, if you don't want to use that, you can use something as simple as a cotton pad. I have this one. You might find these in your bathroom. Or even a tissue where you blow your nose. Just some medium where you can take your essential oil and put a few drops on it. Okay? And that's it, really. Those are the three main things that you need. Now, if you want to time the session, say for 15 minutes, I like to do this exercise for 10 to 15 minutes, then just set a timer on your phone. That's really simple too. We all have our phone, right? Now you'll want to find a quiet place to do this activity because you'll want to be concentrating. If you can easily tune out noises, that's great, but just know that you'll be adding an extra level of mental challenge to this activity. So it's really up to you. The first thing you're going to do is set yourself up, get your paper or notebook and pen ready, and also your scent. And then once you're ready to do that, we're going to start doing the activity. To start scent journaling, you're going to begin by closing your eyes and listening to the scent for the first minute. So I'm going to take my scent strip here. I'm simply going to gently bring it up towards my nose. I'm going to close my eyes. And I'm just going to focus in on the smell. Really simple. You're just focusing and concentrating on what the scent is telling you. It's kind of like warming up the nose, getting it engaged, and just focus on taking in the first impressions. You're only going to do this for, 30 seconds, maybe, not too long. I'm not going to do it the full time here. You're really just trying to connect with the vibration of the scent, okay? Ideally, no distractions, no visuals by closing your eyes, then you can really focus in on the smell even more. And you're going to listen to what the scent is telling you. After 30 seconds or so, you're going to put it down and just begin writing. Take your notebook and just start writing what comes to mind. So the whole point of this exercise is not to be stuck. Just let it flow, kind of like if you were doing normal journaling. They do encourage you with journaling on its own to just simply write what's coming to mind. You don't have to think about grammar, punctuation. Is the sentence structure correct? None of that matters. All you're doing is downloading what's in your brain onto a piece of paper and focusing on what you are experiencing. In this case, you're experiencing a smell, right? So you're closing your eyes and you're taking it in. Start thinking a little bit about what it is that you're smelling, what words might come to mind. and then after a bit of time, put it down and start writing. You can do this periodically if you've written for a bit and then you realize, I need to, connect with the scent again. Just simply put it back up to your nose, smell it a little bit, and then begin writing again. It's that simple. I like to do this for 10 to 15 minutes in the morning. It's a great way to start your day. It's not only a chance for you to really engage your brain in new and interesting ways, but you're also working your olfactory muscle, your smell muscle, because what you're doing is you're calling up odor memories. Any scent you work with, it's going to work the brain to think about, where have I smelled this before? And what is it that I'm smelling? So you're going for odor identification, odor recognition, and that in turn is odor memory. And all of that helps to really strengthen that smell muscle. Okay, so this is a wonderful exercise to do to build smell muscle. And that in turn also helps with brain health because it's improving concentration, it's improving overall working memory, it's improving focus. So, such a great exercise. I hope you'll try it out. Let me know how it goes. Start small, start with 5 minutes, 10 minutes, build to 15, 20 minutes, and notice how you improve your verbal fluency in describing smells, how you can start to have better olfactory memory of different smells. So thanks for watching. See you next time.